nagtangki man siya dire. Di ba, choking bombs is here. Ang
Yan na.
tangki ana dagan siya dire oh. Then it turn him around. Pag nanapoy choking bombs dire, back to the position. Back to position at the totem. Totem here, oh, totem. The totem here. Now, stuck together here. Then, usually, when choking bombs are coming, mag-anita dire, oh. We should go here. Bane, you're too far, mangod kanina, Bane. Nag-travel ka too far.
Dili, gi-adjust na ako si Pipi.
Okay. Then the Bane will turn him around to face us, to face the PP to the raid. And guys, always face PP. You should not DPS at the back at PP. Okay? Face PP. Sorry, I'm not well fed with the fish. Yeah, move that. Ana lang. Ayaw kay Kuan. Alayo kay Bina na para dol ra travel. Sige, buff up. Okay, start now. Drink. Oh, drink so fast kay gatap patay mo ka. Oh, ay na lang sa DPS. Oh, low, way tama mo man. Okay, gaga-delay man, gaga-delay. Okay, dip.
So many delightful possibilities.
Ignore that. Ignore. Stuck together. Dip hard because he's on his experimenting. Okay, nagtalikod siya. Okay, good. Sige, dip lang. In type of choking bombs. Sip, drink. Okay, move here. Turn him around. Then, above, stop. Just ignore it. Sip. Drink fast. Okay, move.
So many delightful
Back to them.
possibilities.
Stuck together.
Excuse me.
BL. Bloodlust now, bloodlust. Ini bloodlust. Mana day? Okay, go deep. TG now. Oh, that's how we pulled this boss. Hope in 25 man too.
I'm going to make it.
Grats.